waking up, you feel me? Tune in to the day's festivities, you know? LA, to the motherfucking Bay. We got street actions out here. Fast life, nigga, everybody we lit. Young nigga A2 said it.
This boy is the best shooter in the game. And what's special about Stephen Curry is that he can boogie on you. He don't need help. He don't need screens. He can create his own shot off the dribble.
Man, we out here, man, live on the show, man. Crenshaw Square, man. You already know. Your Def TV pulling up, man. We out here, man. We out here. Well, we really out here. We out here, though, man. Hey, shout out to my nigga right here, man, with them sick ass videos, man. Y'all know how we rockin', man. Def TV. Shout out to my niggas. First gear motoring, all that.
Shit wet by the Def.
Oh, yeah, Def TV,
man. You know, dipping shit, man. Get your bitch dip too, man.
Yeah, the bitch might get dipped too, man. You feel me?
Last motherfucking most hated, Crenshaw King, King Cash Money, DJ motherfucking Def TV, my nigga. You ain't fucking with us, fuck you, nigga. Fast life and no life, bitch. Cash Money said it, nigga. Whoa.
You don't like me, so what? Little famous TV, bitch, get at me. I know, you already know. We may have TV, get at us. The bottles over here.
Obsessed with improvement. You're obsessed with making money. You're obsessed with taking your business to the next level. And can I be honest with you guys? When you become obsessed with improvement, I will spend more time learning in Australia than I will speaking. I'm going to say it again because you missed it. I will spend more time sitting under people. I will spend more time learning than I will speaking in this country. I will walk away with stuff I never heard before, books I've never read before, audios I've never seen before, going to conferences that I've never gone, hanging out with people that I've never hung out with before. This is nothing, guys. This is just the dessert.
Fuck your shop, bitch. Faster than no lane. You know where we at.
Scatter, man. The police coming out. Fuck the police. Nigga ain't worried about the police.
Month. We been celebrating Beta LA. All my Bay niggas out here, you know, all my LA niggas out here, all my Crenshaw niggas out here. You see it, Young A2, man. We blocking shit off. Got the whole garage lit, man. What's your garage looking like, nigga? You feel me? LA though.
Money, man, mass most hated, man. If you ain't fucking with us, fuck you, bitch. Real nigga shit. It's your boy King Cash Money certified. We out here with MJ 420, Fast Lane Smalls. If you ain't fucking with us, fuck you. Anything you need, come fuck with us. That part. That part.
Jennifer, Samantha, Stacy, you know what I'm saying? We're doing it big. 2016. Street Mayhem TV, get at us. Outside, nigga, y'all know what it is. we doing? What we doing?
Wet shit only. That's all we do is wet shit only. Oh, y'all get up.
First gear, all the way. Fast lane to no lane. Cash money custom.
We're gonna put that black one on the side of this black one, and then Plex will be on the side of that. And then what else? Man, I'm so excited. This shit gonna be so beautiful. Shout out to my nigga Maz, the Hated. I got monos too. We all got monos too. That's like nigga.